A sachet filling and sealing machine cuts the desired length without product loss. Each one of these red hot blobs is a future glass bottle. The airflow efficiency used by VATCON allows the recovery of both wet and dry material. This tractor uses a GPS to accurately chop the fields. Lasers remove tattoos by breaking up the pigment colors with a high-intensity light beam. A cured-in-place pipe is a trenchless rehabilitation method used to repair existing pipelines. It is a jointless, seamless pipelining within an existing pipe. Thread milling is a method of producing a thread with a milling operation and using a CNC machine capable of making circular paths. This press helps save space when recycling cans. Ploughing breaks the soil to allow air and water to penetrate to the plant. This robotic cultivator is getting the job done in McClendon Select Organic Vegetable Farm in Arizona, US. It can recognize a weed from a crop plant and follow the land pattern. A beer filling machine is used to fill cans and can fill a specific amount of cans per fill cycle. As the surface is quite hard, this worker is using a slower pace. This allows better control of the drill bit and prevents it from breaking or damaging. Road marking machines are specially used to delineate diverse traffic lines. This one uses a scan to start and end the markings using a guide taped to the floor. Beveling of pie or tubing is most commonly used to prepare the ends for welding. It can also be used for deburring the cut ends for safety and aesthetic reasons. Ice cream cones are made with a mix of flour and sugar. The mix is poured into the molds and heated until it hardens. Dipperfox stump grinder is a professional tool that crushes stumps into smaller wood bits. It can grind 180 stumps in 1 hour. Wood needs to go through various treatments to be pliable without breaking. Ink milling machines are capable of cutting very thin strips of material. Laser engraving leather is an easy and efficient way to customize a variety of leather goods. This only takes 25 seconds. Blind rivets are mainly used in applications where there is no access to the rear. Expanded metal mesh is produced by an expanding machine that presses a pattern into metal sheets. Spiral binding machines can be used to bind projects and papers. They can also be used to recycle unused notebook pages into a new one. Pulling candy aerates it. That means it incorporates many tiny air bubbles throughout the candy. This makes it lighter and chewier. The pressure the machine applies makes the chips fly. Flail mowers excel at cutting vines and brushes. This makes them the perfect choice for areas with overgrown vegetation. Single-point threading uses a single-point tool to produce a thread form on a cylinder or cone. This weed brush removes weeds in an environmentally friendly manner. Rotating movements loosen air take-off weed brushes. Conical springs are frequently used in various types of electrical contacts. This machine makes perfect swirls in seconds. This machine cuts a thin strip out of a big coil of material. Pressured water helps cleaning the roof completely. Milling is a cutting process where we use a cutter with multiple rotating cutting surfaces to remove the material from the surface of a work piece or metal. It is the most commonly used process in industry and machine shops today. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.